Hey team, welcome back. I hope you are doing fine wherever you are. Today, let's make some samosas, money bags, and spring rolls. Here are the ingredients. Please feel free to use less or more of this. And I'm sure that making the filler or fillings will not be a difficult one for you, okay? And yeah, I had to turn to another frying pan because that frying pan was really small. And that was because I was trying to avoid using this big one that is already scratched. I hate to use it, but yeah, I have no option for now, except I'll get a new one. I'll probably get a gift of a new frying pan, who knows. All right, so the I believe you know everything that I'm adding there, so that's why I'm not mentioning them one after the other. But what you have to ensure here, if you haven't done this before, is that this has to be dried. You don't have to have, you don't, it doesn't need to be moist so that your sheet does not spoil while you are frying. So this is me wrapping the money bags, and you have to use double sheet for this. In case you're wondering how I made the sheet, I already have the video of how I made the sheet, so you can check up the channel to watch it if you don't know how to make your wrapping sheets. I don't think you need to buy these ones from the supermarket, except where they really have varieties they have for different rolls. You don't need to buy the ones that is readily available is the one they use for shawarma, and you can't use it for all of this because it's going to break. So this is your money bag. I hope this looks beautiful like your Christmas hamper. Yeah, or the sweet bags that you get to find from the supermarket. So I did that one, without fast forwarding it so that you can understand the process. But here, I'm trying to fast forward so that we can keep moving. And what I use to wrap it is actually spring onion. Some people use moi moi leaf, but you should use spring onion if you can find it so that people can eat it at the end of the day rather than tearing it to throw it away. And this is me wrapping our spring roll. I hope you can understand this process. So I am also doing this one on a normal so that you can see all that I did. Every other one will just be fast forwarded. Okay, please do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and help me share this video. I would really appreciate that. Thank you, and God bless you. Yeah, done wrapping the spring rolls and the money bag. So let's get over to wrapping the samosa. Now pay attention here. This is where the major work is. So many people really find it not easy to wrap this. Now, if you remember, or if you had watched the sheets making process, you would hear when I said that there are some sheets that you need to make to be bigger. So if you're making a samosa, your sheet for samosa needs to be bigger because you need to cut it. Now I'm supposed to cut this into four because it's not really too big. I remember I said that frying pan is not really the size I needed for the samosa. So that's why I'm cutting into three. But if it's a big one, you just have to cut into four equal parts. Yeah. And then it has to be longer if you want to get a long or many wrappings. Like this is about just 1, 2, 3 wrappings. But if it is a longer sheet, then I would wrap like 5 or 6 times. But it's okay. The thinner the crisps here actually. Yeah. So yeah, you just have to make a cone like shape, like, yeah, and then stocking or stuffing your fillings, and then use the batter to seal it up, and this is your samosa ready to be fried. I hope you're paying attention on how I'm making the shape. This is where the work is, but if you can master it, it's also very simple. And then you just have to fold in the shape of the cone. You see, I'm just folding like 2 times. This one is even 2 times. That's what I mean by the wrap being small. If it is very long and bigger, it would have been folded for like 4 or 5 times, but it's okay. As long as it is well folded and your wrap was well prepared and it's not breaking, it will still be nice. So it just give it even that transparent look of what is inside. All right, so we are done. Look at this. Are they not looking beautiful, guys? So it is time to fry. And very, very quickly, we are done frying. Look at, are you giving me a thumbs up already? I hope you're not being stingy with your like. And you see this frying pan is making me angry. Look at this, guys. See now, this is giving like, and it was very crunchy, or crispy. Yeah. Let's see what we have in the morning bag. Ooh, let's see. Ah, see now. Let me tell you, you can actually make different kinds of fillings. So yeah, you can choose different kinds of proteins for your filling. But this is what I got at the moment. And is it not looking nice? Till I see you next time. Bye-bye.